In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the air intake hose on your Nissan Altima, located in the engine bay. Using a 5mm hex head, we're going to remove the 3 bolts that hold on the engine cover. Lift that up and put it to the side. Using a pair of pliers, remove the hose clamp. Then remove the hose. Using an 8mm socket, we're going to loosen the 2 hose clamps. Remove the intake hose off of the throttle body, and then the air box. Pull it out. Install the new air intake hose. Tighten down the 2 hose clamps. Give it a pull, make sure it doesn't move at all. Reinstall the hose onto the side of the air intake hose. Using a pair of pliers, squeeze the clamp, pull it back up. Reinstall the engine cover. Put our 5mm hex head bolts back in. And snug them down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.